I am studying the official topo sheet of the controversial Mahadayi River Diversion project area. With lot of effort, I procured this map for scientific analysis and study because lot of sentimentality is involved in present discourse on Mahadayi River diversion. And as the former member of panel of experts on Mahadayi Mandavi River Basin Master Plan, I am aware about what we had studied 20 years ago and now what we have to study because nothing has changed since then. We were apprehensive of all these projects which we are discussing, and when we look at this map at a scale of 1 to 75,000, that is 1 centimeter on the map is 750 centimeters or 7.5 meters length or dimension. What is very interesting is three important river basins in Western Ghats converge towards northeast of Goa. This is Malaprabha Basin, Kali Basin and Mahadayi Basin. This yellow line indicates the outer boundary of Bhimgad Wildlife Sanctuary, on which government of Goa has lot of hope, because you can see here one of the artificial reservoir that will be created after the construction of the Kotni Dam, and this vast spread of water that we are watching here is basically the main activator of the turbines of Mahadayi hydroelectric power project, which will be very high dam, and the penstock which will release the water to run the turbine will also have huge quantities of water with lot of pressure. So this is the Kotni Dam, which is specifically going to be built for generation of power 500 megawatt, that is the contemplated, about which very little discussion is taking place in Goa because people have not seen this entire proposal. We have this Bandura Dam and a diversion tunnel to Malaprabha River, which will be comprising of 6-meter diameter tunnel or pipeline. We have no details of this in their revised detailed project report, but the plan is the diversion of this, and then it is not very far from the outer boundary of this yellow boundary of the Bhimgad Wildlife Sanctuary. In fact, this outer boundary is almost continuous with the edge of the reservoir which they propose to create. And Goa government hopes that Karnataka government will find it very difficult to obtain the necessary permissions very close to the Bhimgad sanctuary, because there will be certain ecologically sensitive buffer zone